Kisan stands for Indian Farmers Fertilizer Cooperative Limited. It is one of the largest cooperative systems in agriculture sector. IFFCO Kisan had long been working closely with the farmers by supplying fertilizers and agriculture inputs. However, the recognized major gaps are farmers lacking timely information, limited access, real-time access, and real-time information, poor awareness of weather, soil health and marketing prices.
So next, the objective is the IFFCO Kisan app aims to help farmers by providing important information like crop practices, weather updates and market details. And it also improves crop productivity, increase farmers' income. It helps improve farming productivity and gives access to modern agricultural techniques, making farmers more independent and informed.
Working mechanism of IFFCO Kisan is first, data is collected from different sources such as soil condition, weather reports and crop details using sensor, satellite and farmer inputs. Next, the data is analyzed and advanced technologies like artificial intelligence and big data. These technologies process large amount of information to generate accurate insights. Based on the analysis, the system creates personalized service for farmers. These advisories includes crop recommendation, irrigation scheduling, pest control methods and market price updates. Then the information is delivered to farmers through mobile apps, SMS and or voice calls in their local language. Market is easy to understand. After the farmers implement the suggestions in their fields, finally feedback is collected and the system improve continuously to provide better recommendation in the futures.
In IFFCO Kisan, there are provided multiple services that is helps farmers and all. First one is crop advisory service and weather forecasting, smart irrigation guidance, pest and disease management, market price information, financial and credit support. And also there are used multiple technology. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is used farmers for providing advisory and correct crops to farmers. And next one is IoT. It also provides a advisory system and remote sensing, big data analysis and mobile applications.
IFFCO Kisan face lot of challenges such as climate variability affect the accuracy of prediction, which can impact farmers' financial planning. Low digital literacy among farmers. IFFCO Kisan facing lot of challenges such as climate variability affects the accuracy of prediction, which can impact farmers' financial planning. Low digital literacy among farmers make it difficult to utilize the digital platform like IFFCO Kisan. Small land holdings limit the ability of farmers to invest the advanced technology. High cost of advanced technology like sensors, smart tools slow down the adoption. Dependence on accurate data, incorrect data lead to wrong advisory and financial losses. Poor network and connectivity in rural areas can delay the real-time information. Initial investment required for adopting digital tools can be burden for small-scale farmers. A lot of advantages such as improve crop yield, save water and fertilizers, reduces the farming risk with weather updates and pest attacks.
So even though the app has some limitations, it requires internet access which may not be available in all rural areas. Many farmers also face difficulty using smartphone due to low digital literacy. In addition, farmers face slow adoption of technology. Errors may occur due to incorrect data.